Oh, how did I miss that? I missed my knife. Throwing knife. Drew, hello?
Yeah, what do you do?
Oh, okay. No, no.
Enemy soldier nearby.
We'll see.
I'm going to Uzi, bro.
I don't know. I just use Uzi for hip fire, but that was like whenever I knew if I when I didn't know anything about the game. Why? Why does this thing have so much recoil? I suck. Oh shoot. Okay. I want to try to this growl after this game. Cause it's not really that good anymore.
Easy, bro.
Fine then, I'll try it out after this game pool.
Yeah.
Training's over. Time to see what you've learned.
High, that is super fast. Rate of fire, but I'm pretty sure you're doing this. Oh yeah, just the right turn runner.
Resurgence. That's gas you don't want to
Bio.
breathe.
Let's go bio. Oh no,
Survive.
no, bio.
And earn points to return them fast.
No.
To be honest, you made the wrong choice coming after us. That guy, he was trying to come after his teammate. He chose the wrong team, buddy.
Destroyed by us.
Bro, I just got the purple well gun, bro. I absolutely destroyed. If you want this, you can have it.
Where?
Golden sniper over there.
Let me see if I can hit.
I've never seen. You know the ammunition. I've never seen that drop ever on the floor, or I've never seen it on the floor. I've never seen floor loot like that ever. It used to do that, but I guess no, you know. Guess you have to either buy it or go to the place to get it. Well, I'm gonna go grab the blueprint, so.
The other one downstairs. What if somebody went downstairs and got it already?
No, nobody even here. Told you.
Oh, purple Owen gun?
I just got a PPHS, a purple PPHS. No, I don't really like PPHS anymore. Plus, it has a scope, which ruins it. On me, on me.
Throwing more. 25 are left. Keep your eyes peeled.
This was not ready for the heat, bro. He just got roasted.
Somewhere over here, Drew.
Move it.
Where? Oh, in the building? I thought there was something like that.
Dang it, Drew.
Where is he? How low is he? How low is he?
I cracked his place. He's healing. Hey, watch out over here on the left, on our left.
Enemy UAV
Oh
active.
shoot, I think I already know where. Oh shoot, you just got lasered.
You're the last one standing,
Don't
soldier.
go, there's two.
Survive until others redeploy.
Get out here, get out here.
Ground. Move
Well, you
it.
might use get out here.
Squad member is
I'm leaving.
redeployed.
For real?
Oh wait, no, I'm gonna land on top. Try helping at least a little bit.
There's two Chief for over here. I'm just gonna camp here.
Oh, I got a purple one of those? Okay.
Well, there's a golden one of those over here. I recommend you should come over here to help me.
Down to one.
For real?
Pick it up. Get
Drew. Oh my god, bro, I have the god loot. He has the bet. He has a blue MP40. Watch out, he's on the second floor.
I know where he is.
Oh, you left. Okay. Oh, you're dead.
You
are done yet.
You just got absolutely.
This kid legit can't
If
even.
you go
Yeah, you
down
have
now,
to
the
camp to kill.
operation is over.
Bro,
Watch your six.
you legit were going top to kill. I saw your
Bro,
sniper.
we could have killed.
They left! They left! Left! They left that place! They left that place!
Oh, well, I already
What are your
left.
allies?
So.
Oh,
Oh,
back
they
in the
moved
game.
there too.
They really like that look.
Loadout drop headed
No,
your
you
way.
can go over there.
Uh,
I don't even care.
oh,
I'm just trying to
use the
get this
helicopter.
sniper.
I'm done with these kids.
For real? That's how we actually
One
die.
time was too many. You
Get
should
to the
have
new
learned
safe
your
zone.
lesson.
Gas is closing in.
That's how you die.
It's all on you until squad mates redeploy.
It's stupid that you can just fly a helicopter and it's directed.
Why do I
at
feel
you.
so
You're gonna
laggy?
die.
Squad
yeah.
member is redeploying.
I
I'm
want those kids
lagging
dead. I
like
want them
a
dead.
waterfall.
I'm not letting these kids live.
Bro, they're not gonna let you live either.
Oh, if I don't get killed!
It's all on you.
Oh, that
Squad
means
mates
basically on
redeploy.
you.
You weirdo who can't float out.
If you stay there, then you're
I
just
didn't even
gonna
get a chance. You
die
just sat up there and
every time.
Reinforcements are on the way.
I don't know. Might as well just go get loadout. I already got loadout.
he's still camping Lodi. He's still camping Lodi.
Oh, you went to go get loading and he's camping?
Still camping my Lodi.
Look.
What? Okay.
Oh, laggy.
Marking cam gun.
Golden
Well,
pistol.
I have loadout, dummy.
Oh, you have loadout?
I grabbed my dead body loadout.
Hey. Where's the go?
You've got gas moving in.
Go eat. I'm already eating, Carl. I need to transfer.
Enemy UAV active.
That's why she was bad. Why she's that lady.
Everyone is in safe zone.
What are you doing, Drew?
She was supposed to let us know.
Found him.
Where?
She didn't let
Oh,
Yeah.
you're sniping? Okay. Hold up.
Oh my god, I forgot all about
Mark?
the freaking system.
Enemy mark.
Alright.
He used to, what do you call it? What's gonna call it? You know? He didn't
Armed
show
mobile.
for thermal.
Armed mobile. Tango. Eyes on target. Have eyes on.
I don't have a sniper, I have an AR.
If you see a
Made
guy
it to the top 10.
that we call it is has a weird, it looks is white and stuff.
Whoa.
And like with a gas mask. Shoot him on side, bro. That kid right there, he called me a camper
Oh,
after
God,
he
an
came
MP40.
inside our building.
Gas is inbound. Marking new
Like he
safe
legit
zone.
had forever and a half. That gun had such a low KD time. Do you want pop UAV? Do I pop UAV?
Yeah.
Oh,
Allied UAV
They're
overhead.
all,
Hunt them
two of them are
down.
grandmas.
They're at grandma. That's where I saw. That's where they went.
Yeah. Watch out behind us, behind us.
Armed mobile. Taking fire.
who's asking if you want?
Ooh, that's where one of them are.
I
On
fell
me?
down.
On me? Okay, you fell
fell
down
down.
and then you made me die. But we're going against demons. It's because using a sniper in close range.
Most of it,
If you die, bro. Okay, I thought they heard you. What was that?
Oh, so you
What
saw
kind of
them,
car?
like,
What kind of?
the thermite
Uzi
scope?
is that? To be honest, your Uzi is kind
You're
of,
redeploying. Make it mean something.
what can you call it? You know.
Supply box marked. Secure the
It's
goods.
him! It's him!
5 remaining.
Everyone is in safe zone.
Headshot.
Hits.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Yes!
There's someone over there.
Chauncey!
Yeah, I killed him.
Come here! Chauncey, you killed them!
Have eyes on.
Killed them.
Taking fire.
They hit me. No, you don't even have to shoot it. Just shoot right.
Where are they at?
That side. Just shoot down on the floor. Man, he's running. He's running. I don't think you can hide from my therm.
Have eyes on. Have eyes on. Eyes on
Watch,
target.
watch, watch, watch,
Resurgence has been
watch,
turned off. Gas is inbound. Marking
he
new
jumped.
safe zone.
He's right. Oh, he
Eyes
jumped.
on target. Move it. Setting waypoint.
I don't think you can hide from my thermal optics. Hey, Posse, what those kids say whenever you kill them? You know,
He didn't say anything.
forget.
He dipped. He dipped.
Let's get up. Let's get up there.
Well, maybe we should have stayed over there. Cause they probably already got their loot. Yep, they did. Definitely did.
Well,
I just saw someone.
it doesn't matter.
So they
When did
jumped
they get in there?
somewhere.
I know they're not gonna win. They can't physically win. Well,
I mean, they already have their loadout.
Gas is moving.
Oh, never mind. They didn't.
Did it? I think they're dead, Posse. We got things move. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Get to me, get to me!
Where you at? Why did you jump?
Oh,
That was the
because
most dumbest play
Zone's coming
ever.
in.
Okay, no, never mind. That wasn't dumb. I'm actually about to die. Hi.
I see him! I see him!
Yep, I'm dead.
Posse!
I'm done. I'm done. Bro, we're going
I have
against
enough to buy you
sweats.
back. Mark a buy station!
Hold up, I can't.
The
Stupid
closest
game.
one's in the gas farm. It. No thermite. I have to pull out the other gun.
During fall.
What is an Uzi gonna do for long range? Bro,
Oh my
you're
God,
in
it's a
the
1v2.
worst. You're in the worst zone ever. No, it's a 1v1.
Oh, yeah.
Kill him. Kill him. Drew? Oh my god.
We're still standing. Next time, the win is ours.
Best teammate ever in 2022.
Tony, go wash your face, your hair.
I did.
Come put on your clothes.
I did. Okay.
All too dirty.
What is that? Oh, it's a headband. Drew,
What?
why is your sensitivity like 2? It's like actually like only 2. That's
Do what?
your sensitivity.
It's not 2.
Dude, then why is your sensitivity so low?
It's not low though. I
Yes,
still
it
hit shots.
is. Yeah,
I still
maybe
do
it's
it.
because from long range. Oh.
Because I had him in my eyes
What?
that entire time. I had him in my eyes the entire time.
Well, no, not really. Okay,
I was doing so much damage.
not really. Bro, you could have killed him. He was so dog. He was the worst. You let him kill you like that, man. You let him kill you like that. I'm gonna use the M13. It's a heavy weapon.
Oh, M13?
Uh-huh.
M13.
I forgot which one I used.
You have it
long
all
range.
maxed out, right? What, your brother had it?
69, yeah.
Tell me your loadout.
Hold on, wait. I gotta do this.
I didn't think you knew.
Mile.
Because it was 13, but you get 3 scoops of fish.
Do that.
But you get 3 scoops of fish and one. Yeah.
Okay, what's... Sorry, you gonna tell me your loadout?
Wait, I gotta do this.
Magazine? 50 round mags? Yes?
No, I put on 60.
Well, I don't have it, so...
So...
What's your underbarrel? I've heard the Commando 4-grip is probably the best one.
Yeah, I'll put on Commando 4-grip. Barrel is Tempest Marksman.
Yeah, no, the last one. It's the last one at level 56. I can't
Laser...
hit it right now, so.
Laser is tack laser. You should definitely have that.
I need a... Tack laser?
Yeah.
Tack laser. Tack laser, have it.
And then my optic is
Mine's at level 24.
Dang. My optic
What's
is
the optic?
4.0x flip hybrid.
Last night when I was driving,
Got it.
work,
Stock? What's your stock? Do you have a stock?
there's a girl that was on the freeway,
No stock, and then put on.
and I turned back.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
no,
I
no,
don't
that's
use
it.
the barrel. I can't really use the barrel
There was a
because...
car in front picking her up.
Use the.
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't have a barrel, use a.
I don't know how long she's there, but there
Use.
All I have is a
Use a
Tempest
stock.
Lion.
No, don't use a stock. What kind of perk? Do you have any perks? What kind of perks do you have?
I have the wounding rounds and the heavy hitters. Kind of done.
That's
so.
it?
Yeah, I'm not really done yet.
Oh
I'm just gonna
no.
use wounding. I'm using wounding.
Hey, clean up time.
I was talking on the phone with her,
Look, I already took out the trash.
and I'm like, you know what? Never mind. Maybe it's a family member. They just
do
that's
stop.
all I'm
I'm gonna
worried about. Okay.
Hold on, wait. I gotta do it by. I'm gonna do a
I was laughing.
Uzi
All the
class.
cars over there trying to get her.
No, do not use the Uzi. It sucks. It legit sucks.
And why'd you tell me to use it?
If I wasn't on my car, I would have.
I was filling it out. That's why we lost because my fire rate was so low, slow, bro.
No, it's not slow. Your thing is
I was
slow.
so scared because
Sensitivity is
No,
high.
the fire rate was so trash.
No, your
Didn't
fire
see
rate
it,
is
did you?
trash. It's fully automatic. How is that?
No, it's legit.
Be up for her.
Not good. I'm a crossbow. Oh wait.
So bad.
Over there, freeway where I would run. There's a lot of things like that happen.
I want a crossbow, so get using fire. Okay.
She was walking drunk and
Reflex
down, and the guy was
optic.
like, get out. And left her on the freeway.
Man, this is the worst hip fire. I'm trying to make a hip fire class. Pretty bad. But I'll do it anyways.
Jenny going straight to school after?
Because I'm a gangster. No, just kidding.
Oh yeah. Double chicken.
Had a golden trophy challenge in North Pole.
Are you done making
See
your
how
letter?
this works. Yeah. Let's see how this works.
Fire rate
That's expensive, huh?
sucks. I just fell away.
Let me see. Let me just see. I remember I used it before. It's pretty good.
So at least there's that. But why not a perk that negates fire, for example? The more you play, the quicker you realize how little good this this map actually offers. Like seriously, good thing came specifically from transit. What everyone initially thought was the tits ended up being tits. Transit unquestionably has the worst design of any map ever, and it really comes down to the execution, not so much the idea. The idea of transit, you know, written down on a piece of paper and not actually realized, ironically...
What about you? What are you going to do? For how long?
It says 6 months. It's just a certificate.
For what?
Has the potential to be the greatest map ever, right? But clearly, despite all of that still being true...
M13 beams, I don't know why you're using an Uzi though.
I'm using a Pellington and an Uzi, so...
Check weapons and gear. You got time before deployment.
Let me just see this firework. See if it actually sucks.
Sensitivity.
No, what do you mean the fire? I mean, it kind of sucks. But it's still pretty good.
Put mine at 7, Mike. No, because you disrespected me, I put mine at insane.
I put mine at 13.
Enough training. Now you fight a real enemy.
It's so fast.
Enemy soldier nearby.
I'm insane.
Oh no, it's not. So it isn't on 13. Oh, it is on. Oh, it's at 14.
I wouldn't do much, Doxy, because of you. 13, I didn't put it on 13. Get me out of here. No, 13.
Put it on 15.
Just 13.
Resurgence.
No more higher, no more less.
That's gas you don't want to breathe.
Just don't be.
Make your way to the safe zone.
Going to living quarters?
Survive.
No.
Whoa.
We're
And earn points to return
not going to
to the
living.
faster.
Where are we on? Oh. That's how we died last time.
The sensitivity sucks. Wow.
No, it doesn't.
Okay. Wow.
Go.
Ah!
Can you do anything?
Enemy soldier nearby.
Oh, you want to see insane? Oh, let me turn it up on insane. Watch how fast I spin around.
I could probably see if I can do it inside.
No, look at this. Look.
I'm level
Enemy
200.
UAV active.
Let me try it.
Go to insane, bro. You can't.
It's not
play
that
the
bad.
entire game on the highest sensitivity.
I will.
Next time we play, and then we play on the lowest sensitivity, bro.
It's pretty hard to use it, but if I use it more, then low sensitivity is worse than high sensitivity.
I'll drive. Buckle up.
Can't even slide.
I can't do anything.
I can barely slide cancel.
I can't spin around.
Oh,
Dossie,
what?
why would you tell me to do this?
I never did tell you.
Dossie!
Did it yourself.
Well, why don't you go?
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna take it back to 15.
I'm going to number 1. I'm going to low.
A car 98K or a 3-line rifle?
Dossie!
There
Oh!
are 24 enemies active.
Eyes on target.
Kill them all.
Sensitivity!
Marking sniper. Lethal grenade here.
Just try it now!
No. I'm gonna go to Nova. So like, peace, brother.
More hands on.
I just wanna stay.
I think 7's better. 7's so much better.
No. Not really at all.
Take that
It's
field.
better than 4, but it's so much easier. Somebody already has loadout.
Got a blueprint?
Yeah.
Just got homecoming?
Oh, Toxic, in Apex, did you know you can slide backwards?
Huh? What?
You can slide backwards in Apex.
You're losing ground. Move it.
Nice.
I just downed a kid.
Where?
On prison? On prison? He probably has a self-revive.
Do you want to be in there?
Watch out, people have loadout too.
Eyes on target.
Where do you want now? Let's go there.
Oh!
Thank you.
Guy.
Oh, I didn't. Drew, why didn't you not tell me that there's someone up there?
When I die, I don't know. I don't know if I die.
Really? Oh my god. Alright. How? Oh my god.
Get off and go get ready.
Alright, bye.
Go get your